At about 11 o'clock, mid-morning, the main meal of the day. Never anything elaborate, even though it's the main meal. Most of the time it's bacon and egg. About twice a week there's fresh meat. It's remarkable how little they eat. A check with Robert on what he saw on his journey, feeding the sheep. Anything wrong anywhere? How many new lambs? And all the talk in Welsh. English is a foreign language. It's a happy, self-sufficient family. There isn't a lot of contact with other people. The neighbors don't drop in casually when the mood takes them.
Sometimes we see them. We help each other on the gathering day. 5 farms. Garth, Rhos, Ryle and Brinter. On the gathering day, about 4 or 5 times in the year.